I needed a simple way to save my content ideas, so I made my own app for it. I've tried notes apps and other tools, but they're either too messy or overloaded for something this simple. I just wanted something clean that works exactly how I think. So I didn't download another app, I made my own. This is my app, not a template, not something from the App Store. I built it exactly how I want it. This is Whacka, and what you can do here is create your own apps using AI and using the platform. And here we can see all of the different apps that people are creating in the community. Some of these are games, labs, life, and general tools that you can pick from. I just opened Wacker on my phone and typed in this: create a simple app to save and organize my content ideas with a clean list view. And it instantly generates an app for us. You can literally do the same thing, just type what you want and it builds your version. And here we have our app. Now I've got my own idea tracker. No extra features, no distractions, just what I need. Now if we want to add ideas, what we can do is very simple, is actually just use the app as we have imagined it. So we type in video about Wacker, select video, type in a description. So here we can add ideas just as we wanted from this app. And now I've got my own idea tracker. No extra features, no distractions, just what I need. And the best part is it actually feels like mine because I made it. Here we can see we have everything we need. We have the idea title, the notes for the idea, and the category all built in, all from that one prompt we gave it. Now, if we want to add changes to this, all we got to do is type in the box like so. So let's say we want a time and date feature added. We can do so very easily. Here we've written add a time, date, and reminder option in notes. And then straight away, it's going to create that for us. And you can see it has been added under the time and date and reminder sections. And we can even add this to our home screen like a real app. Simply press share, scroll down and press add to home screen. And then we can name the app or just simply add it and it will be added to the mobile phone home screen. I open this every day and I even shared it with a friend. They made their own version too. So if you ever wanted a simple app that works your way, just make one. Think of one small idea, type it in, and turn it into your own app using Wacker. I will leave a link to this in the description if you want to check it out yourself, but for me personally, this has been a massive help, and I would highly recommend it. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.